Welcome to the world of 2025 investments. As we stand on the brink of a new financial frontier, understanding where to invest becomes crucial. The economic landscape is rapidly evolving, bringing with it both challenges and opportunities. In this video, we'll explore the importance of investing in 2025, providing you with a comprehensive overview of the current economic climate. We'll guide you through the key sectors poised for growth, each offering unique opportunities for savvy investors. From emerging technologies to sustainable energy solutions, these areas promise not just financial returns, but also a chance to be part of groundbreaking advancements. This introduction sets the stage for a deeper dive into the heart of investment opportunities awaiting in the United States. Whether you're new to investing or looking to refine your strategy, this guide is tailored for you. Stay tuned as we navigate the promising horizons of 2025 investments, empowering you to make informed decisions and seize the potential that lies ahead. Let's dive into the financial trends shaping our future. These trends will dictate the best avenues for your investments. As we navigate 2025, understanding these trends becomes vital for making informed decisions. The current financial landscape is shifting, driven by technological advancements and changing consumer behaviors. These changes are not just temporary, they are setting the stage for a new era of investment opportunities. Predicted market shifts indicate a move towards sectors that promise sustainability and innovation, including the growing emphasis on technology and renewable energy. As these sectors expand, they create fresh prospects for investors ready to embrace change. The impact on investment opportunities is profound. Those who recognize and adapt to these trends early will likely find themselves ahead of the curve. By aligning your investment strategy with these emerging patterns, you can position yourself to capitalize on future growth. In this segment, we aim to provide you with the insights needed to navigate this evolving financial landscape confidently. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge that can influence your investment decisions positively. As we continue, we'll explore specific sectors where these trends are most prominent. From technology to renewable energy, we'll uncover where the opportunities lie. Stay with us as we delve deeper into these promising areas, helping you make the most of what 2025 has to offer. As we navigate the complex landscape of 2025, technology stands out as a beacon of investment potential. Technology continues to dominate as a powerful investment sector, and here's why it should be on your radar. From AI advancements to the rise of blockchain, emerging technologies are reshaping industries at an unprecedented pace. These innovations not only promise to revolutionize everyday life, but also present lucrative opportunities for investors. In the realm of tech investments, the potential is vast. Consider the increasing integration of technology into healthcare, finance, and even agriculture. Each sector is ripe for growth and innovation. Investment in technology is not just about riding the wave of trends, it's about positioning yourself at the forefront of future developments. Why is tech a strong investment area? It's simple: adaptability and scalability. Technology thrives on solving complex problems, and its ability to adapt to changing demands ensures its relevance. This makes it a resilient choice, capable of weathering economic shifts and uncertainties. As we delve deeper into the specifics, we'll explore how tech investments can diversify your portfolio. Remember, investing in technology is more than a financial decision. It's about being part of a transformative journey. Up next, we'll shift our focus to another critical sector, renewable energy. Stay tuned as we uncover how sustainability can drive profitable investments. As the world increasingly turns towards sustainability, renewable energy emerges as a compelling investment choice for 2025. The growth in this sector has been nothing short of remarkable, driven by technological advancements and an ever-increasing demand for cleaner energy solutions. Governments around the globe are stepping up with incentives designed to accelerate this transition. These policies not only aim to reduce carbon footprints, but also to create an environment ripe for investment. Investing in renewable energy today means tapping into a market that promises long-term benefits. From solar farms to wind turbines, the options are as diverse as they are promising. The shift towards green energy is not just a trend, it's a movement gaining unstoppable momentum. Investors who recognize this potential stand to benefit from substantial returns while contributing positively to the planet's future. By choosing renewable energy, you are investing in more than just a financial opportunity. You're investing in a sustainable tomorrow. This sector provides a unique chance to align financial goals with environmental responsibility, making it an ideal choice for those looking to make a meaningful impact. As we explore the landscape of 2025 investments, remember that renewable energy is more than a buzzword. It's a key player in shaping the future of our economy and our environment. Next, we'll delve into another promising sector, healthcare, where innovation meets necessity, offering its own set of unique opportunities. In the ever-evolving landscape of 2025 investments, the healthcare sector stands out as a beacon of growth and innovation. As technological advancements push the boundaries of medical science, the demand for healthcare services is rising at an unprecedented rate. This surge is not just a response to an aging population, but also due to an increasing awareness of health and wellness. With these trends, the biotech industry presents lucrative opportunities for investors seeking to capitalize on cutting-edge developments. From personalized medicine to groundbreaking therapies, the potential for returns is vast. Investing in healthcare now means positioning yourself at the forefront of a sector poised for exponential growth. The innovation driving this field is matched by the ever-growing demand, creating a dynamic market ripe for exploration. As we continue this journey through investment opportunities, stay with us as we delve into the challenges investors face and how to navigate them effectively in our next segment. Investing comes with its challenges, and the path to success is often littered with common pitfalls. Many believe that high risk equates to high reward, but this misconception can lead to misguided decisions. To navigate these waters successfully, it's crucial to understand the true nature of risk and how it affects your investments. By identifying potential hazards early on, you can develop strategies to mitigate them effectively. Risk management is not just about avoiding losses, it's about making informed choices that align with your financial goals. As we debunk these myths, remember that every challenge presents an opportunity to learn and grow. With the right approach, you can turn potential setbacks into stepping stones for success. Let's continue to explore how you can craft a robust investment strategy that withstands the test of time. Stay tuned as we delve into personalizing your investment plan in the next segment, ensuring that your financial journey is both rewarding and secure. In the journey of investment, crafting a personalized plan is pivotal. It's not just about where to invest, but how to align those investments with your unique goals. Picture your aspirations and financial ambitions. How do they shape the choices you make today? A tailored investment strategy should mirror these personal goals, ensuring each step taken is towards a future you envision. Diversification is a cornerstone of successful investing. Imagine your portfolio as a garden, where variety not only enhances beauty, but also ensures resilience. By spreading investments across different sectors and asset classes, you shield your future against market fluctuations. But how do you know where to start? Leveraging expert advice can be your guiding light. Financial advisors bring seasoned insights, helping you navigate the complexities of market trends and economic shifts. Their expertise can transform uncertainties into opportunities, providing clarity and direction. Creating a robust investment plan requires both strategy and flexibility. It's about integrating personal insights with professional guidance to forge a path uniquely yours. As we delve deeper into the investment landscape of 2025, consider how these elements coalesce to empower your financial decisions. Now, let's transition from planning to action. Our next segment will illuminate how to seize the opportunities of 2025, turning your investment strategy into tangible outcomes. Stay tuned as we guide you towards making informed, confident decisions in this evolving financial landscape. As we conclude our journey through the investment landscape of 2025, let's recap the opportunities that await. From emerging technologies to the green energy revolution and the ever-evolving healthcare sector, the potential for growth is immense. We've explored various pathways, each offering unique advantages for those ready to seize them. Now it's your turn to take the reins. Dive into these opportunities with confidence, armed with the insights and strategies we've shared. Remember, the future of your investments begins today. So, explore, evaluate, and empower yourself to make informed decisions. The year 2025 is ripe with promise. Don't let it pass you by. Take action now and embark on a journey towards financial success. The time to invest is here. The opportunity is yours for the taking. Join us in shaping a prosperous future by choosing the paths that align with your goals and aspirations. Together, let's make 2025 a year of growth and achievement. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your investment success.